The question is 64 divided in the bracket 8 divided by 2, bracket closes, multiplied by, in the bracket, 7 minus 3. First, we'll solve the brackets. So now, the solution. 64. Divide. 8 divided by 2. Multiply, in the bracket, 7 minus 3. Now, first of all, in this bracket, 2 will go into 8 4 times. 64. Divide.
4 multiplied by, open parentheses, 7 minus 3, close parentheses.
Now, let's solve further. 64 divided by 4, and if we solve the bracket, 7 minus 3 becomes 4 now. 64 divided by 4, multiplied by 4, so first we'll give priority to division, second priority to multiplication. Now let's solve it. 64 divided by 4 times 4. 4 cancels out with 4. Now 64 times 1 equals 64. This is the answer.